Iqzy Crafts Kitchen Hacks. Stop wasting food and start saving money with these 10 smart storage secrets. Fresh herbs can stay fresh nearly twice as long when you treat them like fresh flowers. Loosely cover the herbs with a reusable bag, then place the jar in the refrigerator. Skip the plastic bag. Mushrooms stay fresh much longer when they can breathe. Place mushrooms in a paper bag and keep them in the refrigerator. The paper absorbs excess moisture, helping them stay fresh longer. Wet lettuce spoils quickly. This simple trick helps keep it crisp for days. Store the lettuce with a dry paper towel inside the container. It absorbs extra moisture and helps the leaves stay fresh much longer. Potatoes and onions may look like perfect partners, but storing them together can make them spoil faster. Keep potatoes in a cool, dark, well-ventilated place, and store onions separately. They'll both stay fresh much longer. Don't throw away ripe bananas. Freeze them now and use them later. For smoothies, pancakes, or baking. Store the slices in a container. They stay ready for your next recipe and help reduce food waste. Don't wash berries before storing them. Extra moisture makes them spoil much faster. Store them dry in the refrigerator and wash them only before eating. They'll stay fresher and taste better. Buying cheese in blocks saves money. Grate it once, freeze it in portions, and it's always ready to use. Divide it into meal-size portions, remove extra air, label the date, and freeze flat for quick cooking anytime. Can't remember when you cooked it? A simple date label helps prevent food waste. Use older containers first and keep newer ones behind them. It's an easy habit that saves food and money. Never refrigerate steaming hot rice. Trapped steam creates extra moisture and affects both texture and freshness. Once the rice has cooled, transfer it to a sealed container and refrigerate it promptly for the best quality. Nuts contain natural oils that can go rancid over time. Freezing keeps them fresh for much longer. Store them in the freezer and use only what you need. Which hack will you try first? Follow Iqzy Crafts for more smart kitchen tips.